Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. And I don't know if you remember in one of my hauls for Joanne's, I got a ½ pound of Rhinestones. So I've got them all separated now by size. There's the large ones, the medium, and the small. I actually prefer Joanne's over Michael's because they seem to be so much more reflective. And the color is a lot more intense. And the containers were free. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Joanne Fabrics had a 8-ounce bag of iridescent Aurora Borealis gemstones on sale for half off. So what have I been doing all night? Separating them by the sizes. I know, I don't have enough to do. Well, I finally got them done. All separated by sizes. And I'm going to have to get some more baby food containers because they're half full already. And, ooh, I got lots. I have found that the Joanne's Aurora Borealis crystals are more intense in color than the ones that I've gotten at Michael's. So I guess it's true, you get what you pay for. And why am I separating these? I have a whole lot of projects coming up. Okay, and that's how many I got in that ½ pound bag. And in case you're wondering, these are baby food containers. And they stack nicely, and they can fit in little drawers with no problem. And I have to thank my friend Joanne for getting me started on this. She gave me a whole bunch of small ones, and now that I have the grandbaby, I've been saving them. And they hold well. So if they fall over, you don't have to worry about them going everywhere. So if this little organization for gemstones helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.